Hey everybody. So I apologize. I have to use my headphones because my stupid phone doesn't, the speaker, microphone, whatever, doesn't work. But it's Saturday. I'm getting ready for the day. And I haven't been vlogging or even making videos. Like, don't mind my eyes, sorry, too. Because I got my lashes done yesterday and my eyes all weird. But I haven't been like vlogging or really doing any videos at all lately, and I don't know, I guess want to just make one. I've been going through a lot lately, and I've just kind of like taken a step back from making videos. I mean, it's not like, obviously it's not like my whole life making videos, but um I've just kind of like not done them because, yeah, just a lot of things going on. I've been having a lot of issues with my son lately. If you don't know, my son is 5 years old, and most recently I moved my job up closer here to where I live. And when I did that, I had to move him schools. And when I did that, he was not having it. He was like having a hard time with his new school. He didn't like it, which I didn't blame him because that daycare was kind of crappy. It was really small. They were really like not interactive with him at all. And he went from like being at a school where everyone knows and like loves him to going somewhere to where they like don't even really care, I guess. So they were having a hard time with him. They ended up telling me that he couldn't go there anymore because he was having fits every day. So I had to change him to a different daycare. And when I did that, it's he did the same thing. He like went to the new daycare, and he, like, the first week, I think it was like the first or second week when I went to pick him up, the lady was saying that he was hitting, I think he like headbutted a teacher. So embarrassing, man. It is so embarrassing to have to go and like talk to them about stuff like that. And the lady was like all mad at me, and she's like, he headbutted my teacher, my teacher's gonna quit now, and all this stuff. And I was like, oh shit. So then I had to go I was gonna like almost gonna have to go and get him a new daycare, but I was like crying to the lady, and I was just like, look, he's been having a hard time, please work with him, so anyways, long story short, I've been kind of dealing with that. I had to even take work off for it because he couldn't go to school. He was like basically suspended from daycare. I mean, he's 5 years old. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so just dealing with that. And then also like my husband's been having a lot more court dates lately, and um been having to go to that. Like, there was one yesterday on actually, and I mean, there's not really much to say. It sucks because like people ask like how it went and what's going on, but there's really not much to say. Just we're in the process of filing motions, and that takes a lot of time. So yeah, dealing with that, and then just like my overall, I just don't feel happy with my body, even with my face, like just the way I look overall in general. I've just been feeling like really gross, like I feel really gross, like I look really gross. And so I know my makeup looks really weird right now, but bear with me. So yeah, my rosacea's been really bad, and I don't know if you can see the bumps right now, like, but I don't know if you could tell the redness before. But yeah, that's been acting crazy, and I know it's because of what I'm eating. Like, I'm eating like crap, and so I'm gonna try for the millionth trillionth time, because I start eating good, and then I give up, and then yeah, it's just like this vicious cycle. So I'm gonna try again to go back to trying to not eat gluten, because I've noticed that like when I eat any breads or gluten, I get really sick, like, and it sounds dramatic, but I really do. I get like straight up headaches, migraines, fatigue, just I just feel like crap when I eat gluten. So it's like, it comes to a point, it's like, do you want to feel like crap and eat something that tastes good for like the 10 minutes that you're eating it, and then feel like crap for the rest of your life? It comes to that point where you have to make that decision. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Um, yeah, so it's Saturday. My kids aren't here. My daughter's at her other parents' house. My son is with his Oma, which is my husband's mom, and I'm gonna get ready and maybe go do something with myself. So sorry I was talking so long, but yeah, I'll finish talking, or I don't know. I'll bring you along with me today, whatever I do. Okay, we are in the car. It's amazing what makeup can do for you. I'm going to this jeweler because my husband has this ring here. My my knuckles are so ashy. He has this ring here, and we want to go see if we can like melt it down and make it to a ring for me. So I'm gonna go to the jewelry store, a local jewelry store here, and see if that's something that they can do. So let's go. Okay, that is done. Sorry for this angle. I don't have like a car mount or anything, so whatever. But that's done. Now I gotta go get groceries, which is always fun. I don't even know why I get so ready, like I'm actually going somewhere. But yeah, I gotta go get some food because we have like zero food at our house to cook. So I gotta go get some of that. Hello. You ever get home and stay in your car for like 10 minutes? Like you don't want to go in the house. That's me. Bye now. I'm eating pork rinds. If you don't like pork rinds, you're missing out on some crispity, crunchity goodness. Anyway, there's my beautiful groceries. Some ASMR right now. That's gross. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna just spill my drink everywhere. But I bought some stuff to make what the it just came out with it. Doing a car mukbang. I just bought some stuff to make eggplant parmesan. No, eggplant lasagna. So we'll see how good it is. I'm really hungry though. I really had to stop and get myself a drink and a snack because I was starving. But I don't want to go in. Ew, I hate my throat always does that. Like anytime I drink something, it's like wow, it's so embarrassing. And I'll be like at work, and I'm like, I hope nobody heard that. I'm gonna go in, and I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm not going anywhere else. I did my makeup for nothing. So yeah, look, why do my eyebrows do that? Look, they always go like this when I'm talking. I'm not even gonna lie right now. This is the life. Just relaxing, watching Netflix. I probably sound like a straight up loser right now. This is my week. This is like my favorite type of weekend. Hello. Notice anything different? So I have a visit coming up in like 15 minutes with my man. And I have this wig that I got from Wish. And he's never seen it before. So I'm going to, it's like a video visit. So when I get on the visit, I'm going to be like, hey babe, like nothing. And see what he's probably going to be like, what the? And I wish I could record his reaction, but we visit on my phone, and that's what I use to vlog. So sorry. Hey, it's Sunday and I'm not getting ready, so this is my ugly self today. But let me reach this. Oh my gosh, hello. I'm going to make gluten-free brownies. It's like 10:30 right now, but my mom's coming over. She's gonna bring my son back home, and it's a rainy day, so I mean, there's not much to do. Let me just show you how cute it is outside. So yeah, well, I guess it's not raining, but it's like the sky. So there's not much to do today. I don't really want to go anywhere. I don't want to get ready or do my makeup, so I'm not going to. Hey guys, I lied. I went to the Dollar Tree. I'll just show you what I got. Nothing special. I got a large print calendar so I can put Aziz's soccer information on there and stuff, because I don't have a calendar right now. I got a soda. Aziz asked me, he called me and he's like, can you give me a Sprite? So I got him a Sprite. And I just got some Tupperware because I don't know, man. I don't know what's up with Tupperware. It just like gets up and walks away out of your house sometimes. So I needed some more of that. And just like a mixing bowl because I don't have another mixing bowl. I got this cute little pineapple there. I'm going to put it on my desk at work. I thought it was a cute little decoration. And then I also found these. They are these Popcorners, Crunchy Wholesome Popcorn Snack, white cheddar, and they're gluten-free. So yeah, I'm going to try these out. So I'm doing gluten-free for 30 days. You can do 21. I guess after 21 days it becomes a habit, but I want to do 30 just to get the full effect of a month. My hair looks ridiculous, but so yeah, so I'm gonna be like, what do you call it, tracking that on a different video, so daily or weekly or whatever. I'm gonna be tracking how that goes, going gluten-free. So yeah, that'll be a different whole. Hey guys, it's Monday morning. I forgot to end my vlog yesterday. I really didn't do anything. My husband called. We talked for a couple hours last night and we didn't have a visit. So yeah, I'm just gonna end my vlog. It's 7:20. I'm going to work now. So I hope you guys all have a good week, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.